Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you're paying attention to the crypto markets, since the CPI data has released and USD has taken a little bit of a pullback, crypto is showing some really good momentum. If we talk about Dogecoin specifically, it might be down a little bit, but it's well above the big resistance around 15 cents. And when we talk about the trading volume, it's still well above the $1 billion mark. And seeing that there are some catalyst comments such as Elon Musk's crucial X announcement excites the Dogecoin and the XRP community. US Senate scrapes the SEC crypto policy, and this could be a big deal. And at the same time, Doge is on the ready to go to the cycle of $1 to $3. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video, just after YouTube algorithm, push the video out to more people see the positive side of Doge, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it, because the social engagement right now is super important. You need to try to support not just me, but all this, the creators who post Dogecoin. That's the way to pump up the token as soon as possible. Another thing, so Elon Musk's crucial announcement, and the announcement is all core systems are now on X.com. Great. Add Dogecoin as a payment method. Why is this a big deal? Because you guys need to understand, when they talk about this and in the background, X Payments is also getting so many different states in America approval for the payment system. 26 is already done. Soon as all of them are done, and let's just say Dogecoin decides to, make their return while X Payments makes their first announcement on Twitter, trust me, all of this coming together will pump up the Dogecoin price quite heavy. Now, US Senate scrapes SEC crypto policy, but Biden says he will veto. If you do not know what that means, well, he's going to use his power to change that. Lawmakers, crypto heavyweights, and banking executives argue that SEC policy on crypto custody and accounting harms the US investors and innovation. And let's just say Biden disagrees. This is going to have a huge impact on the overall election that is yet to come. I'm not saying I favor with anyone, but I'm just trying to tell you guys right now, this is very controversial in terms of what is going on. And the rate at which Dogecoin is going on, let's just say 15 cents is a really cheap price. It's going to be going up really quickly, and when it does, you will be left behind in the dust, especially if you decide to take profit for peanuts. Trust me, the big numbers will shock you. I mean, right now, if we just talk about the volatile market, you can see that Doge is still able to hold around the price that it should be at. It's able to hold above the 13-cent mark. It's not dipping back to it. At the same time, it's able to find the support around the 14.3 cents. And right now, you can see the whole market is up, and Doge is trying to follow that as closely as possible. Honestly, there is so much momentum left for Dogecoin, and there's just so much more for Dogecoin to do. At the same time, the open interest is down 4%, but it is still well above the $700 million market cap, which is really good, because if it's able to just hold above the 700 million, that's going to mean a lot. Talking about the liquidations in the last 24 hours has been quite heavy for the long traders, which is kind of surprising, seeing the fact that the market is still in a positive trend. The long to short ratio, let's just say it's still favoring the long traders by quite a margin. Can Dogecoin escape the death cross, which eyes the next momentum to be 20 cents? And if it does decide to break above this, trust me, the next momentum is easily going to push it to 20 cents. The Dogecoin price is trending around 15 cents after bouncing back from the death cross. Whale addresses have been doing their best to push up the price, accumulating about 500 million. Doge in a week has done some crazy things, because 500 million is not a little money to be coming into the flowing market. I think there is a chance here where Doge will run to 49 cents and beyond, invalidation, losing the bottom of close to 11.9 cents. Why is this a big deal? Because you guys need to understand, this was actually posted by CoinsKid, and they have a huge following, and them mentioning something relating to Dogecoin is obviously going to have a positive impact. Another thing, Mysterious 30 million Dogecoin transfer raises eyebrows. Is a whale behind the recent market steer? Just keep in mind that right now the market is such a crucial stage, especially seeing so much is happening in the crypto market. I mean, if you want to look at some news, let's just say Russia leads in crypto mining capacity growth, surpassing US. So you guys know that Russia is slowly moving towards crypto so they can decentralize themselves, and you know, the people of Russia don't have to rely on their freight currency or just the US dollar in general. France issues a warning to crypto investors of Bybit. So you guys can understand right now what the problem is. There's so many countries which are regulating crypto. At the same time, there are so many countries which are making some statements around it. So there is some negative and positive happening at the same time. India's SEBI recommends multi-regulatory approach for cryptocurrencies, and RBI opposition is happening. I mean, this is really crazy because there's just so many big regulations happening, especially this bull market. It's been a lot stronger compared to 2020, but keep in mind that does not mean that the market will be slowing down anytime soon. I mean, my Doge wallet just announced pay for your next hotel booking in Dogecoin at hotels.com. More things. Adoption is going to be making a huge difference. When I mean making a huge difference, this is going to allow more transaction, and more transaction is obviously going to allow more fun for the Dogecoin army. At the same time, mysterious wallets, as I mentioned, have been, accumulating as much as possible. Now, GameStop frenzy waves away for Dogecoin Shiba Inu prices to skyrocket because all the profit that would have been made will most likely actually push into the other part. When I say pushes into the other part, what I mean by that is all of that profit will flow into crypto, and all of these people who are degens are most likely going to put their money into meme coins that they want to see exploding. Biggest meme coin? Dogecoin. Now, peer-to-peer payments without an intermediary is one of the simplest and most exciting parts about blockchain. Do you think they mean Dogecoin? On January 9th, post on X company blog has revealed a launch for peer-to-peer payments. And could that mean that Dogecoin will be part of this? Would be something we would have to wait and see. Now, Dogecoin is ready. The roadmap is slowly starting to clearly show that 30 cents is going to be the next journey. If it's able to make it to 30 cents really quickly, then the next big journey is going to be up to 50 cents, and that would be extremely easy to hit in a really short time. Dogecoin investors enjoys a price surge. I mean, the price surge right now should be well above to 17.5 cents as soon as possible, because the rate at which we are moving, 17.5 cents is not very far, and that's going to be the next resistance to break and use as a support before we go to the next big journey. Just keep in mind there is so much happening right now. You guys are going to love it. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.